Hi, welcome to AP Physics 1. I am Mr. Londa. In this video, I'm going to explain to you what the course is about and how we're running the course this year. So just a little bit about me. This is my fourth year at Richardson High School. I was born in Denmark, but I spent most of my life in and around West Point, New York. I graduated from Weiner College, a small little school on Staten Island, New York. And then I enjoy watching, playing hockey, played it for most of my life. I currently coach lacrosse. I like to read science, military history, and leadership books just because I always want to refine my craft. AP Physics 1, the course is an algebra-based physics course that focuses on classical physics, or sometimes referred to as Newtonian physics. The topics are kinematics, dynamics, circular motion and gravitation, energy, momentum, simple harmonic motion, and torque and rotational motion. If you've had students who have taken this class in the past, aside from last year, there was actually 3 more units that appeared in the class. But last year, around semester break time, College Board made a decision to remove those from the course. So now there's only 7 topics as opposed to 10. The exam is on May 12th at 12 p.m. And so that on that day, they would go to their classes and then they would take the exam if they're going to take the exam. But they will be well prepared for that exam on that day. This year, how we're doing it kind of looked a lot like what I was doing last year. Towards the end of the year, we're flipping the classroom. So what does that mean? It's a flipped classroom using what the Ideals of Modern Classrooms project. And there's a site I'll show you here towards the end of this slide if you want to find out more information about Modern Classrooms project. So what happens is students will watch the videos outside of class, and then when they come into class, they're going to complete their activities. So it's like we're flipping how the content is delivered and how they're practicing. Okay, by flipping the classroom, it allows me to be more visible, to help the students more, and to be able to, really establish relationships with them to keep, to keep them interested in this course. Now, with that being said, there's 3 types of assignments that you will see in your students' Google Classrooms, okay? The first is a must-do. The must-do assignments that they must do, and they show mastery of that particular topic. At the end of doing a collection of assignments, they will take a mastery check, which is then they can move on to the next topic. A should-do is one that they should do. I'm using it as AP Classroom practice problems. Which in the Modern Classrooms project, these are ones that typically aren't graded, but I'm grading them, but I'm making them a lower percentage of the grade. And then you have the Aspire to Do's. Aspire to Do's are non-graded. This year I'm using them as AP strategy kind of assignments. So things that they need to know on the AP test that applies to all the whole course, and it's not just geared towards one particular topic or another. So basically how it's structured is they'll be given 2 topics a week to complete. The completion means finishing all of the must-dos, all the should-do assignments, and then getting at minimum an 80% on the mastery check. Okay, but they're able to redo assignments because we're looking for mastery of the content. It doesn't necessarily mean if they get an 80, they can, they get to move on, but if they want to, they can come back to the mastery check to get a higher grade. And then here's just more information. If you like more information about the Modern Classrooms project, here's the website. It's just modernclassrooms.org. Now here's just the rest of the general information in my contact, the class Google site, and then the YouTube channel where all the videos I create are housed. And there is a class Twitter. I'll post maybe just some like more strategies on there. But I know Twitter is kind of going by the wayside, but I'm still very active on it. And yeah, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm just an email, phone call away. And just please, let's keep this, contact going back and forth with each other. And thank you for watching my video.